bus or the school bus. Niandra ni mata pinakarangon. Nana pinaka the message pinaka Eleanor.
Good morning to sending a very good morning
Yeah.
to all the students boarding the bus this morning, to the teachers. Some of the teachers are still boarding the bus
Yeah.
in trying to reach school on time, and also the workers. So tabi to come back na traffic in Unsala. To all the mothers tuning in from home. You know, when the kids are gone to school and also the husband is gone to work, and all those that are working, and then it's time for ourselves. Sometimes
Yeah.
we take a small nap.
Yeah.
Sometimes we have our breakfast.
We take a big
and
nap.
other times
Yeah.
we start with our work.
Oh.
It's very important to plan your work. When you plan your work,
Yeah.
you have more than enough time to
Yeah.
relax.
May ano pinaka be ko na maraming sabu-sabu ngo.
Yeah.
Maraming daw taka sa matsuga na ni pa naman daw. Nili wala naman daw na matagani ko.
Right.
All right, the message.
Mai.
While you are still young,
Yeah,
and
I'm young.
you crying.
Same as Nathan's mom.
How do they calm you down?
Which
Ngoni
one?
sa kaliliki na.
Yeah?
Ngoni kung tangi kina.
Cry baby.
Okay. Show us the way you cry when you were a small baby. Okay, dula ba how do they calm you down?
Undang-undang ngayon, ni seperti itu kau.
Oleh roba.
Ay, roba metum.
Ano naman teo dula?
Daun ren-ren undula. Oy! Daun ren-ren undula.
Sauli
Sawit
ko ngone basa pa kini ko tangi.
iya kaya.
Uy.
Nusan daw tang itu bang ko sawit tinaw ni mata.
Right, baka mo situ.
Iya.
Baka mo dun to.
Bayawa tu.
Bayawa.
Iya.
Bayawa ya.
Iya.
Misa tu kunang ortona. Iyo, tumay.
Iya.
Keto sala ko itui.
Right.
Asang kaidim.
Oh, yo no mo teo ba dule nga me ko may bikon tanong burni woni.
Buri ni meta lu pasin.
Eso ko mo main bi mo ko.
Ya, elai talo ko free dive mo fala may mbuli aya. Nado ko sa nunu timboto ni wai.
Yeah, there are different types of crying, eh?
Yeah.
We have children, we know how they cry,
Yeah.
how long they cry.
Yeah.
Some like to sort of tangilo, eh?
Yeah.
Andari nga indara redu potongan, raro to kana wini mata. So nga.
Yeah.
Oh.
Eu do buci biau, do buci biau rengon mertang itu. Dalangan nangusun na pasar tungo. Ada. Open
Yeah.
like this.
Iya.
No sound.
No sound.
No sound.
No, that's good.
Yeah.
When the sound is there,
Yeah.
oh my God.
So tale patu ko nangusun ra. Kana tangi sa kana rongon tangi ni katabila sa.
Iya. Eu na
Tangi ngarang.
Yeah.
the most
Eli has that type of crying.
Oh, wana na wilai. Ewa moa.
eu na kona tangi musim dondo biau.
Yeah.
When there is no sound but you are turbe imbis tuno ni matamu tangi lo.
Right, tangi
Yeah.
lo. Oh,
Yeah.
tangi lo ninto na numike mo.
Yeah.
Ole.
Yeah.
That's a kind of crying endo tareaus. Hindi naman na kaya ko lokano stayu ka rotan lutang.
Iya.
Nindo e tangi me tangi lotu.
Iya. Wano rabatu ko.
Oh, ora ko santa tu sarang apa kaya wa tamai. Bata ko na iba du sabol ka bekenda.
Okay, our talano this morning is about the salt.
Right.
The power that's in the salt. Let me see.
Okay. If you see the salt, before we go to the power of the salt, if you the steps to make the salt,
Okay. Explain.
salt is very good because they never bring from any dirty substance, chemical
Right.
to make a salt.
Right.
True,
You
sir.
need to collect
Yeah.
seawater, not just seawater,
Yeah.
a clean seawater,
From the deeper
Yeah.
ocean, eh?
clean pure
Right.
seawater.
Right.
Gather from the ocean, deeper cleaner to avoid excessive sand
Yeah.
or seaweed or
Right.
whatever.
Yes.
The legumes
Right.
to
Yeah.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Filter the water.
Right.
Filter the water. Strain the seawater through the fine mesh strainer.
Right.
Then coffee filter or cheesecloth to remove debris.
Right.
Oh, no.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Boil.
Yeah.
You boil the water so that it can evaporate.
After
the
straining
liquid.
the water, then you boil the water.
Yeah.
Okay.
You boil it,
Right.
then the water can be evaporated, so the remaining one that can be used as a salt.
Yeah.
Right.
Then dry the salt.
Right.
Dry the salt, you store in a nice keep it clean,
Yeah.
safe place.
Oh, no.
Container,
Yeah.
Right. Okay. It's very easy. So all of us can make salt.
Can
eh?
make salt, but
The process is very
they're
easy.
very good, the process.
Yes,
But
but,
how can you collect seawater from a deep
Right.
blue sea?
You
Yeah.
go to, if you happen to go to Bunualebu, you ask the captain, please stop in the middle of the ocean. I go and collect some seawater.
The seawater too there is very because boleh kati.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a deep one.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
Because this one on lako tuwang orang itu na butia na senindongo na.
So this
Yeah.
can apply to the islands in Laos, eh?
Orang bala meo saranga.
Right.
Kau kurang
right.
pakai den no rumbila kau kan kau nambukalo.
Iya, bes, tama na.
He's been collecting salt in Nambukalo Creek for the last 3 days.
Hiro me karo.
Okay, dan aku tukar mata ni kuah.
Yes.
Da power juga na masima.
Power,
Okay.
Yeah.
If you see a salt,
Yeah.
and I bola tambu,
Right.
tukun na sorry ni mosita man tanga elevu.
Yeah.
Jasi ndoang na tikini masima.
Right.
Masima, if we absent the salt from our food, what will happen?
Flavorless.
Flavorless.
Right.
We won't able to eat
We
nicely.
won't enjoy.
We won't enjoy the food.
Right.
Because our tongue needs sugar and salt.
Right.
That's why we call each other, you are sweet and sour. Because of salt.
Right.
If
The
you
taste
see the
is
salt,
there, yeah, the taste
there are
is there.
so many particle molecules of salt in front of you.
Right.
If you take a pinch
Yeah.
of salt, if you take excessive salt, especially the raw salt,
Yes.
Yeah.
your body gonna like a balloon
Right.
and avudemai. That's the importance of salt. If you see the power of salt, if somebody are in danger of evil spirit enter him or her,
Right.
Yeah.
you will see that
Enter the
salt,
dragon.
the salt will come.
Yeah.
They will live.
Okay.
Yeah. If you see the salt, you take the salt and you give it to a wild cattle.
Right.
And a man on a bulmakau.
Yeah, why?
Yeah.
Another
Yeah.
thing, used for preserving food.
Doon mo nak.
Behira sa ito ni bali-baliba na
Yeah.
you can use salt to preserve
Pero na
food.
korba,
Right.
buto nga ba masima
Sorry.
if there's a cut in your body.
Right.
Oy masima
Lisi,
silikina,
yeah.
Yeah.
karo ka kede baya.
Right.
This one daw when bring kambachia.
Iyo.
Bato ko yung libunong ng totol sa rakinan tanda, menara.
Iya.
So nisiwa nga may bango.
Yeah.
Right. You put the salt there.
Right.
Wawa tabute kitu ke pakai lebu.
Yeah.
So that matsabarioti sanandanda. Sana malumu. You put salt there to keep them nicely so that can store for a long time and not making their body
Iya.
malumu.
Yes.
Doon
true.
mo nak.
Another thing,
Yeah.
salt is used for spiritual cleansing.
Iya.
You put it around the house. If you feel that there is negative energy or there's some sort of dark magic, black
Yeah.
magic.
Yeah.
So we use salt. That means salt is a very important part of our life.
Yeah.
The Messi's house is named after salt.
Salt
Wala
licks.
masima.
Masima.
Right.
Iya.
Masima.
But the devil is inside
Even the
that.
rukunin tabo. The salt is there.
Physical and biological power of salt. Salt is a sodium chloride.
Right.
It's very helpful in our life
Yeah.
for our muscle,
Yeah.
nerve
Yeah.
function.
So your body has salt, eh?
We have salt.
Because
Yes.
okay, sometimes we cry. Our teardrops is sometimes salty.
Yes.
Ano ba? The salt
That's salt.
Because our body,
Yeah.
if you want to know how important salt is, our teardrops,
Yes.
Yeah.
our sweat,
Yes.
every water come outside our body,
Yeah.
it contains salt.
Right.
That's the importance of salt. So, salt help you in your life.
Yeah.
Metaphoric. It's very hard to remember because salt is a very good in our. It represent hospitality and friendship in our body.
Yeah, ako
Yeah,
na
and-
Kaya baka mantang ay wiwi ndo nakakana.
Right.
Kaya wiwi.
Yeah.
You if salt is present there,
Yeah.
Right.
nahalibakan doon na wiwi.
Okay, doon na ko kayo. Kaya nako this was a joking one, eh? Dapat ibuwali one. Kaya kan sa date siya patagan doon ng girlfriend.
Yeah.
Right.
If she is becoming like becoming doon ng bulmo ka Andrew.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba kata mo pa manoti ko? Can you give her salt?
Don't give her salt.
Ano ba nga?
Wey so tagi ko nga mo masim. May daya na mano ah. Kaya na mate, mano ang dua.
lelei. Beki meno kanda romada ke
Yeah.
ko reba mo bisau. Vuki mo masima.
Ya.
Sivo, don't turn back or you will salt.
Oh, ndo buli bina na isongo-songo ni ndo ni batang isidi no ndabiti.
Iya.
Na wale una ndo bata buli mai. Kodi tuwe net. Oh, mbulare awu bani ni binaka sa bambula tening goy api Samoa. Tuna bete fi, mbulare.
Oh, gyuta kira.
Oh.
Pwede ba kalolo yan rin na na turman? To yan rin na may nabakay may nandi.
Ndo mbula menali ka shop. Keto sa taba? Keynes. Queensland, Mintos, Savu. Oni binaka singa ni kuana parumbuka, oni ni binaka ni kalungata. Api nabis. Keto sa taba? Like heart siya takan live. Tokani